Alpina is producing cars for nearly 50 years, and the Alpina customer is a car enthusiast, a connoisseur, who is always looking for the best car, the best solution of sportiness and comfort. The new B6 offers more than 500 horsepower, great sound, a sporty but still comfortable suspension. This makes the perfect Gran Turismo. Innovation always played a vital role at Alpina. The future challenge is to make the car lighter, to reduce CO2 emissions. So it was a logical consequence to work with Akrapovic, a young dedicated engineering team which makes the lightest exhaust systems.
We are very pleased Alpina chose Akrapovic as their partner for the B6 car project. We believe we are a leader in exhaust system development for cars, obviously motorcycles also. We were born of 20 years of racing. We ultimately understand technology, materials, especially titanium.
A lightweight design and reducing the vehicle's weight is one of the key challenges of every automotive manufacturer. Reducing the weight of the exhaust system has been achieved with the use of our proprietary titanium alloy, which is heat resistant, it has wonderful strength characteristics and great corrosion resistance.
With Alpina we have a very close working relationship. Our designers and engineers collaborate for months and working on details.
The biggest advantages of having an Akrapovic exhaust system are this fabulous great sound and having about 25 kilograms weight loss compared to a steel exhaust system.
The biggest challenge for us was to integrate the exhaust system into the limited space to give the car a deep, voluminous sound and fulfill legislation.
We have jointly developed a state-of-the-art exhaust system for the B6 cars, everything for top performance, optimum lightness and a great sound.
Alpina is always the best choice, whether it's wine or cars.